What's up guys? Today I'm going to unbox this Hot Wheels. Apparently this is a keychain, as you can see, and on the back it actually shows that you can attach a key to it. So today I'm going to attach a key to it and unbox it. So I'm going to unbox from over here. I put the key in. I'm actually using this key as a knife ring. Okay, so I've opened it. I love this car so much. It looks so good. It's just like the colors of my favorite superhero, Spider-Man. It has red on the bottom and blue on top. Now we are going to attach the keys to it. Now over here, as you can see, there's a hole. And I guess we're just going to put this thing in here. So as you can see, I'm putting the car in there. And done. It's hanging on my keys. It is looking so cool right now. So like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Goodbye.